What's up, everyone? It's Jameson from NYC Tech Club, and I know I said that earlier, but I want to introduce myself one more time before we jump right into this video. We're going to learn how to make this website. I hope you're excited. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure that you go at your own pace. So pause the video if you need to, rewind if we go too fast, and be open to making mistakes. We're probably going to make some mistakes in this video. We'll just go back and fix some stuff. The goal here is to learn how to use WordPress and how to build a beautiful and professional WordPress website. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is register a domain, which is your web address, and also sign up for hosting, which stores all of your content, such as your images, your text, and anything else, and it also runs your website. So we need to get a domain and we need hosting in order to run a website. And I recommend that we go to a website called HostGator to get both of these. So in the video description, there is an affiliate link. And if you click on it, you'll come to the HostGator homepage right here. And you can always just type in www.hostgator.com. And right now, HostGator is running a promotion where you can get a free domain registration for 1 year. And it's an exclusive promotion that only some affiliates are able to provide right now. So you might want to click on that link in the video description just to come to this page so that you can get that free domain. So click on that and come right here. And let me talk a little bit about HostGator. So HostGator is the hosting company that I recommend to all my clients, my viewers, and also what I've used for a number of years to run my websites. And I think they're really great. The great thing about them is it's really risk-free because there's a 45-day money-back guarantee. So if you're ever unhappy with HostGator or you decide you don't want to build a website, you can get your money back. And I just think that they're really fast, they're cheap, and they're reliable. They have great customer service, and that's why I'm going to recommend them to you. I think they're one of the best hosting companies, and I'm just really excited to be able to recommend them to you. So once you come to this page, let's go to the hosting plans. What I want you to do is click on the web hosting link right here, and it's going to bring you to this page where you can see the different hosting plans. So the business plan is a little too expensive and more than what we need, so I'll let you go through this one on your own if you want. But we're going to focus on the hashing and the baby plan. So the hashing plan is going to let you host one website and one website only. So if you're only building one website, all you need is the hashing plan. And if you want to build more than one website and you want to host them on the same plan, then you want to get the baby plan. So for this video tutorial, we're only building one website. So I'm just going to choose the hashing plan. And through the affiliate link in the video description, you'll notice that you're going to save 60% off over here too. And we do have a coupon code that we can show you how to use. So don't worry if you didn't click on that link. I'll show you how to get this big discount in just a little bit. But first, all I really want you to do is choose the plan that you want. So I'm going to go with the hashing plan because I'm only building one website. So I'm going to come down here and click on the Buy Now button. And once you're on this page, this is the sign up page for our hosting and our domain. So I'm going to go through these steps with you just to show you your options and make sure that we don't make any mistakes. So let's go to step number 1 where it says choose a domain, and we're going to register a new domain. So what we want to do is type in the web address that we want right here. So I'll type in nycbrizzy.com and push enter. So go ahead and type in a site address that you want. And in the search results right here, if it says unavailable, that means that someone else registered the domain that you want and you need to search for a new site address. But you can see right here that this one is available, and we have this check mark right here. So this is what we're going to register. So once you find a domain that is available that you like, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom over here to the domain privacy protection section. And this is a service that costs a little bit of money, but it protects your identity. So no one's going to know that you registered the domain. They're not going to have your phone number, your email, or your name. So if you want to protect your privacy, then you want to have this box checked, and you can just pay this small monthly fee. If you don't care that anyone can contact you about your website, then you can just uncheck this box and you can always add this service back a little bit later. So it's really up to you. And once you're ready, come down to step number 2. And step number 2 is where you're going to choose your hosting plan. So in this package type, you have the hashing and baby plan. We're choosing the hashing plan, at least I am, because I only am building one website. But if you want to build more than one website and you want to host them on the same account, you want to choose the baby plan. So I'm going to select the hashing plan right here. And then what you want to do is choose your billing cycle, and you can go anywhere from 1 month to 36 months. In order to have the free domain registration, you need to have a 12-month billing cycle. So I'm going to select that. And remember that you do have a 45-day money-back guarantee. So if you ever want to stop making a website, or you want to change hostings, companies, or anything like that, you can always get your money back. So it's really risk-free. Okay. So after you choose your billing cycle, what you want to do is register or fill out a username and security pin. So you want to create these on your own. And since I already created my HostGator account, I'm not going to do this with you. So if you need to, pause the video and create a username and security pin. And then once you're ready, come down to step number 3. And step number 3 is entering your billing information. And again, I'm not going to do this with you because I already have an account. So if you need to, you can pause the video and fill out all the billing information. And then once you're ready, come down to step number 4. And step number 4 is adding additional services. And by default, HostGator selects some of these for you. And the free SSL certificate is included with your HostGator plan. So I'll show you how to implement this in just a little bit. And this allows you to secure your website and any information that's transferred. So that's really awesome, but you don't really need any of these other services. So I want you to uncheck all of these because you don't need them. They're extra costs, and we have free video tutorials on how to create an email address with your domain. And there's a bunch of free plugins that you can use to back up your website. So uncheck these other boxes and then come down to step number 5, where you can enter a coupon code. And step number 5 is probably one of the more important steps because this is where you can save a bunch of money. And by default, HostGator is going to put in a coupon code for you. And you can see that you have a discount right here. But what I want you to do is delete this coupon code and type in NYC Tech 30. So it's NYC TECH 30 and click validate. And what you're going to notice is that your discount over here increases to about 60% off. And that's because NYC Tech 30 is one of the highest coupon codes available with HostGator. And it's an affiliate coupon code that saves you about 60% off. So you want to put in NYC Tech 30 and click validate to save a bunch of money. And once you do that, go ahead and come down to the bottom and just check this box that says you have read and agree to the terms. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on the Checkout Now button. And now we can just wait for HostGator to update. And once everything is set up, we should see this notification, and we can just click on this button that says View Dashboard.